So we're going to create a creamy salmon pistachio pesto linguine dish.
Oh, with the salmon.
Don't zoom in on his toenails, please.
There's nothing wrong with them. Look at that.
I am utterly speechless about this recipe. I literally don't know what to say. This recipe is a little bit of a mixture of cultures, of flavors, of what? Just make something up on the spot.
Seasons.
Ego, you were supposed to like sharpen the knife. Okay, so we're gonna chop the salmon into little pieces. So we're starting by searing the salmon with butter and thyme, and we just want it lightly cooked before we add the heavy cream. And what's the story with salmon?
Well, salmon, you know that they are so focused on getting on upstream that even if they die in the attempt, they keep on going forward.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
They're like swimming while they're dead?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Che senso
No, Google it.
Google it. Muore e lui continua a
Ancora volente.
cioè,
Lui ha fatto così talmente tante volte che continua a fare così quello che
è come una cosa di proprio
Sì.
fisica.
Sì.
Non so se
No.
mi piace sta storia.
No, probabilmente.
Ai vegani ci attaccano. Because he knows he has to prep the food, and he forgot. So he was smoking a cigarette,
No, it's
and he
not.
was playing video games on his
That's not
phone.
true.
And so he's gonna end up like that poor salmon. Some pecorazzo,
Pecorazzo parmigiano.
pecorazzo pecorino.
No.
No, pecorazzo parmigiano. Garlic, pistachios, and not pine nuts. Get my hand. Just steady. Extra virgin olive oil. Because you are extra and virgin. You like culetto squeezing. Come on, you do.
No.
Yes. Squeezing. Vai.
No, non abbiamo
Adesso che è saltato il...
No, non è attaccato.
How long until the pesto is done grinding?
Until it's smooth, just like you. The pesto is ready. Now we're tossing in the linguine. See how cool these linguine are? They're like the extra long ones. Io sono le pinze. Prendi le pinze, prendi le pinze. Come here. Okay, so the pasta has gone in. As the pasta was cooking, we blended the pesto. Show the pesto. It's incredible.
Pesto.
Look at that green beauty. So we're going to mix this in. Once the pasta is tossed about with the creamy salmon. I'm so excited. Cioè, senti l'odore, ma tu l'hai assaggiato?
Certo che l'ho assaggiato.
Let's take a little spoon and do the test. Vai, needs to be perfect, just like I am.
Perfect.
Perfetto, perfetto.
Just like you are.
The lemon adds that kind of like, you know.
Yeah. Little flavor.
What it? A hint of flavor. Okay, good. So the pasta
Com'è?
and chiodo. Okay. Just gorgeous.